This kitchen went from gutted to luxury in 8 seconds. This bathroom, same thing, and creators are pulling 50 to 150 million views per video doing this exact format. Here's how you actually build one from scratch, real quick. This won't make you a millionaire overnight, and the first few videos might flop while the algorithm figures you out. But the workflow itself, simple to set up and easy to recreate. And once you nail the format, the views scale fast. Let's build one. 4 steps. 1. Generate your transformation images. 2. Animate them into time-lapse clips. 3. Add a custom soundtrack. 4. Edit it all together. The whole process takes about 30 minutes once you've done it twice. Step 1. We need 4 key images that show the progression. Think of it like animation keyframes. Destroyed room, workers mid-build, almost done, and final reveal. To generate these, I'm using a prompt system I built that automates the whole thing. Grab the prompt doc from the description. Copy the first image prompt along with the room type you want. It's a short prompt, don't skip any of it. And paste it into ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or whatever chatbot you're using. Once it loads, you will get the first prompt for the first image. Now, use that image, add it back to ChatGPT, and copy the second long prompt. This prompt will give you prompts for the rest of the images. From there, you will have 4 or 5 prompts along with the first main image prompt. Now you have a prompt for each stage of the transformation. Here's where most tutorials mess up. They tell you to use one tool for everything. That doesn't work. You need 2 tools working together. However, this is where OpenArt comes into play. We can use different tools and AI models within OpenArt. So instead of jumping from one tool to another, we will use OpenArt for our entire video. Go to OpenArt, click Image, Create Image, and then choose the Flux Context model. This model is great for what we need. Generate the first image by just adding the prompt and adjust the dimensions. As you can see, we now have the first image done. Download that image and add it back to OpenArt in the Omni reference field. We are still using the same AI model, and now we are pasting the second prompt with our main image as a reference. Once that is done, we will have 4 different images. This is the foundation of your video. Next, we animate them. For animation, we're using Kling 2.6. It's a high-quality video model that can turn still images into smooth time-lapse footage without destroying quality. However, before we go and animate the images, go back to ChatGPT, paste all of your still images and add this prompt. This will give you the most accurate prompts for our video generation. Copy the first prompt, go to OpenArt, click Video, go to Image to Video, select the model Kling 2.6, add the first main image. Paste the prompt. You can turn on the sound if you want to get sound effects too. For the second, third, and fourth prompt, you will upload a start frame and an end frame. Kling animates everything in between, so image 1 and image 2 become your first clip. Image 2 and image 3 become your second clip. Image 3 and image 4 become your third clip. If you're not getting a good output, you can always go and switch the models. VO2 is a good one, or VEO3 for the best possible results after Kling. I found out that Kling gives me the cleanest and sharpest look out of all of them. However, VEO3 is good, but sometimes it outputs errors. So if you're not patient like me, try Kling. Download all 4 clips, and now it's time to connect these clips together. Before connecting them together, we need to add some music to our video as well. So now we have the video clips, we need the music, and then we will connect all the assets together in one video. For music, I'm using Suno. You could grab a royalty-free track from YouTube audio library, but I prefer generating custom music because it fits the pacing perfectly and there's 0 copyright risk. Go back to your prompt doc, copy the music generation prompt, paste it into Suno, and turn on instrumental mode. Hit create. Pick whichever one feels more cinematic, download it. Now we edit. I'm using CapCut because it's free and fast, but you can use DaVinci, Premiere, whatever. Import everything, your 4 clips and your music track. Drag the videos and music in, then add your clips in order. Clip 1, Clip 2, Clip 3, and the final reveal clip at the end. Trim the music so it ends right when your video ends. Now here's where you add the retention hooks. You can also add text overlays that say Day 1, Day 15, Day 30, and Final Result. These fake timestamps make the transformation feel real and keep people watching. If you've done everything in the correct order, you should have a video that doesn't need transitions. It's smoothly transitioning from the first clip to the second, third, and fourth. Adding a simple CTA at the end also works well for retention and making people want to watch your video again. You can add something like "Follow for more" or "Part 2 coming soon." Keep it casual, then export in 1080p 30 fps. Export takes about 2 minutes. Once it's done, you're ready to upload. Let's address some of the concerns that you might have. Will this get views right away? Probably not. The algorithm needs 3 to 5 videos to figure out your niche. Post consistently. Most people will also ask, can I monetize this? Yes, but YouTube Shorts monetization is low. TikTok's Creator Fund pays more for this format, so I would recommend you to go with TikTok. Do I need to show my face? No. These videos perform better without a face. Going faceless is always a good route. How often should I post? 1 per day for 2 weeks. After that, the algorithm either picks you up or it doesn't. If it doesn't, test a different renovation style. Industrial lofts, farmhouse kitchens, minimalist studios. Recap: generate 4 keyframe images using OpenArt. Animate them with Kling. Add a custom Suno track. Edit in CapCut with text overlays and slow zooms. Export and post. The whole workflow is seamless. The format is proven. And the views scale fast once the algorithm picks you up. If you want the full prompt doc and tools, link in the description. Now go build one.